This is Shehnaz Khalid with you from Manresa Real Estate Dubai. You must be wondering that where am I at the moment? I am in Marbella, Guadalmina Alta Villa. Come, let's do a video tour of this beautiful villa which is in Guadalmina Alta, which is 4 minutes ride from Peurto Banus, the most happening area in Marbella. So here you see a beautiful living area, a very generous layout which is overlooking the beautiful swimming pool and the greenery. Let me walk you through the pantry. So you have inbuilt oven, everything, appliances. You do have good size refrigerator inbuilt, and this is a laundry area with a wine cooler. Okay, now we have got 3 bedrooms, which is again quite spacious bedrooms. This is the ensuite bathroom. All the rooms are ensuite. This is a bedroom down, which is overlooking the swimming pool. This is a second room, which is a kid's bedroom with full wardrobe. You can see the lush greenery which opens to the green patch area. This is a third room on the ground level. Again, it's an ensuite as I mentioned earlier. Okay. Again, you can exit from here. You can convert it to your study or to your bedroom, depends on your requirement. Now we come to the first level. There's 1 bedroom over here. So as I mentioned earlier, it's a 4-bedroom villa. It's a large spacious bedroom, a well-lit bathroom. It has a large open terrace, and as you see, the bedroom size is very, very generous. So this is the entrance of the villa. This is a 5-year-old villa, but very beautifully maintained because it's owner occupied. There is a bar area as well, and the deck with the swimming pool. To acquire this beautiful villa in Guadalmina Alta, Marbella, Spain, contact Shehnaz Khalid, Manresa Real Estate, Dubai.